Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about Python modules. So what are modules in Python? So let's understand the theory first, then we will see in the demo. So Python module can be defined as a Python program file which contains a Python code including Python functions, class or variables. So modules is actually a Python program only which will contain your Python functions, class or variables. In other words, we can say that our Python code file saved with extension .py is treated as the module. So whatever we were creating till now, we were using only a single file and we were running that particular code. But with the help of module functionality, what we can do, we can create multiple files and we can import that particular file into different Python files. We will see in demo that. So to use the functionality of one module into another, we must have to import the specific module. So how to import the specific module into another module? So loading the module in our Python code, we need to load the module in our Python code to use its functionality. Python provides two types of statements as defined below. So there are two ways in which you can import the module. So the first one is the import statement and the second one is from import statement. So let's first understand how to create a module and then we will see each of the statement to how to import a module in your Python code. So let's see in demo. So this is our PyCharm editor. Here I have a one project created, Python series. So let's create here one more folder. Let's create a folder here. Let's give it a name as module demo, and inside that module we will create Python file. So what was the module extension? So it is like Python code file saved with the extension .py. So we will create a module. Let's give the name of module as file module .py. So this will be our Python file, and inside this module we will have our Python code. So let's say this module has one function called def message, and inside this function we will have one print statement, print, let's say hello. So this is only the content of the module now. So we have created this module, file module.py. So this is our module, and now what we want to do, we want to import this module into another Python code. So we will create another file here. Let's create new Python file and give it a name as, let's say app is our main file, app.python. Now what we want to do, we want to make use of this function inside our Python file. So there were two ways in which we can import the module in our Python code. So let's first understand the import statement. So the import statement is used to import all the functionality of one module into another. So what does this import statement will do? Whatever is written inside your module, it will use all the functionality of that particular module. So currently we have only one function, so it will use that one function. So we can import multiple modules with a single import statement. So this is the syntax for importing the module. So import is the keyword. After that you need to provide the name of module. So we can include multiple modules also, like here you can see module 1, module 2 till module n. So first we will see how to import a single module and then we will understand how to import the multiple modules. So here we have module file module.py, and this is our main Python file app.py. So here I will import that module, import file module, let me save this file module. Yeah, once you import the file module, after that you need to say we need to use this functionality, right? Diff message one. So what you can do, you can directly say here with the help of module file module dot, and then you need to provide the function name here, which is message. So file module dot message. Let's save this. No module named file module. So what is the name here provided? FILEMODULE. Let's run this. Sorry, app.py we need to run. So see, we are getting a message hello. So what has happened, we had imported this statement import file module. After that we are printing the content of this function message. So we have here message function, and here we are printing that hello. So we are running the app Python file, but still we are getting the content of file module. So let's say we change the functionality here. Let's say now it takes one more parameter name, and here we will print the name hello name. Let's save this in app.python here. Now what we want to do, this message is now expecting one argument here, see name. So what we need to do, we need to take one variable here called name, and here you can accept the value. So input enter name. So once you enter name, you need to pass that name to this function. I will pass that name, save this and run now. So see, we are getting this message enter name, which we have added in app.python file. Let's say name is John and click on enter. So we are getting the message hello John. So currently here you can see hello is the statement we have printed here, and name is the argument which is passed to the function. So in this way you can import a single module. Let's say we want to add another module here. So let's create another module, new Python file, and let's say name of it as module 2, module 2, and here we add another function def. Let's say message, it doesn't take any parameter, and we will print here hi. So this is our module 2 now, and we need to import this module. So we need to separate this with a comma and name of the another module, module 2, and here after printing this message I will make use of this module name, which is module 2. So here I need to say module 2 dot, and what was the name of the function, which is msg, which is message here msg. So I will call this. Let's save this and run now. So first statement we are getting here is enter name. Let's enter the name John. So see, we are getting here the message from the file module.python file, which is hello John. After that we are getting the message from module2.python file, which is hi. So in this way you can import the modules inside the Python. So the next statement that we want to learn is the from import statement. So we will see that in the next video. So in this video we have covered the module theory and the import statement. So that's it in this video. We will cover next things in another video. Thank you for watching.